Congratulations. Good for you. You did a beautiful job. Beautiful. Hey everyone, okay, so today I'm going to give you a really quick review and demo of this new concealer from RMS. It's called, what is it called? Revitalize, I think it is, Hydra Concealer. So the reason I'm kind of querying that is because I've got this classified thing. They sent me this about 2 months ago. So I've had a really long time to play with it. It's so lovely. By the way, the founder of that company she's so bloody lovely. She's so pretty as well. She's so nice. So I'm going to use this as a concealer. It's a concealer with skincare benefits. I'm just going to tap just in this kind of section to begin with. It has an amazing amount of coverage and you've got all these benefits with it as well. And I'm just going to use a brush and just kind of tap it into place. Now, this concealer is absolutely recommended if you are over the age of 12. It is made for you. It is kind around the eyes. You can see that it's got enough coverage. I know I said it's like I don't know if I said it's like a full coverage. It isn't full. It's kind of like, it goes on like a medium coverage and then becomes, as you can see, just really pretty. I'm going to do the same on the other side. A dot, that was a little bit too much. And just down, just to connect them. And then I'm just going to blend. It's such a beautiful concealer because it's gentle, it's kind, it's flattering, and it specifically has people in mind who are over the age of 12. And I'm being facetious as usual, but if you are over 30, over 35, over 40, you are going to love it. I'm just going to fill it in and pat and press any remaining product just so that we've got this kind of, what's the word I'm looking for? Harmony, so it's not like floating. I'm just going to add just a touch to the forehead, just to blend it out with this light. Now I'm just going to take a touch of blusher, just to kind of marry the concealer with the blusher. Oh, this is so good. I'm so pleased. You've no idea. I think this is so beautiful. It's just easy and flattering on the skin. And the fact that it really is so complimentary to those of us who are over 40. It's just really, really beautiful. She did such a good job. Congratulations. Good for you. You did a beautiful job. Beautiful. Oh, and if you don't want to powder it, you don't have to, by the way. The less you use, the more beautiful it will be. It does look beautiful powdered. I'm not going to bother. I'm actually going out. I'm going to go out like this. It's fine. It's perfect. It's flawless. And I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.